Hello guys, I'm Prashant Kumar, member of the team Mantra, and our team members are Sai Dinesh, Apur, Saurav, Jyotsna, Ambika, Kiran, Sriram, and Mohit. And we are going to talk and present and act on the topic of the forgotten gender. Yeah, as the world moves towards the gender equality and gradual elimination of traditional gender rules, we have to keep reminding ourselves that gender equality is a two-way street.
The domestic violence against a man in his own house can happen because of mentally tormenting him for his financial position or because of the doubts of infidelity. And the domestic violence against a man in the society can happen through the misuse of the power by the female because of our discriminatory mindset against the men for any wrong happenings.
Hey Kiran,
Hi Ambika.
did you paid the bills and the I said you to purchase the groceries today in the morning? Have you did that?
No, I was busy with some of my work, so I didn't get the chance to do it today.
Why are you so irresponsible? Your job is just useless. You don't do even a basic things which I have said to do. You know what? I earn more than you and I have lot of work than you.
I am sorry, I will do it tomorrow.
What the hell you will do in the entire day? And you won't do the basic things which I have said you. I don't know why I have married you, a person like you who is a worthless. I don't know. I'm just going out. You have to prepare your dinner by yourself. Keep the house clean. Till I return back to the home, everything should be work done. Goodbye.
Okay, sorry.
Men can also be a victim of violence. Men can also be harassed. These days, women are misusing their laws against men. Like an incident happened at Lucknow. A woman assaulted a cab driver several times in front of people and police, saying that you are going to kill me by your car. But none of that happened, and he is also being arrested by the police. He is so fortunate that that incident is captured by CCTV and a responsible citizen. Imagine if there are no proofs, and what will happen to the man? We men suffer too. We men need laws too. Jai Hind.
Hello everyone. We are men being falsely accused by women. There is an incident happening in Delhi. A man named as Singh is falsely accused by woman named as Jaslin. Let me narrate the story. On August 23, 2015, Jaslin posted a picture of a man and alleged that he passed hours committed at her during the argument on the road. After the post went viral, the Singh was arrested by local police under the IPC section 354A, 506 and 509. She stated that a man is crossing the red light and is questioned by her and he started abusing her. But it is not the case. He is just trying to turn the left, which is free left. She started arguing with him and posted his pic on a Facebook and acted as a victim, and whole world believe it. He lost his job and respect in society. After the 4 years, he got justice. But what about the emotional damage he suffered? We meant to many to law. Jai Hind.
Hello guys, I am sharing with you one of the incidents that happened in the Bangalore, where Zomato guy named as the Kamaraj was accused by the woman Hitisha Chandrane. Hitisha claimed that she was assaulted by the Zomato guy when she sought to cancel the order as the food was delivered late. She got harmed by the hurting her nose and started bleeding. Soon after the incidents, Hitisha had posted the incident on the social media, which went viral. A day later, police had arrested Kamaraj and then released him on a station bail. Delivery boy filed a case of assault against the woman. Kamraj has been working for 3 years as a delivery boy. He said that the road he took to deliver the food are under construction. While Kamraj claimed he apologized for the late delivery, the customer insisted on returning the food, and that moment things are got heated. She attacked him with the slippers and he just tried to block it, during which by her own actions she got hurted. The nose started bleeding due to the finger ring she was wearing got snatched on her face. During the investigation, the woman is just posting her comments on the social media and she was not coming to the police station for the question answers. By giving excuses like the health issues going to relatives' place, etc. Medical reports and the opinions from the hospital experts and the primary observation made by the investigator reveal that the injury is not resulted due to the punch or the assault. After the final decision made by the police department, Hitesha has been charged with the wrongful restraint, assault, intentional insult, and the criminal intimidation based on the complaint made by the Zomato guy. Without being investigated, Kamraj was the one who is arrested, who suffers the most, and lost his job at that moment. We may need justice, we may need laws. Jai Hind.
Out of 1,000 males, about 51% experience violence at the hands of their wives or intimate partners at least once in their lifetime. Violence needn't be just physical. Emotional violence is more alarming and pushes human to the edge. Men who have been victims of violence suffer personality issues and often become victims of depression as well. Domestic violence in India is not recognized by the law. The general perception people carry is that men can be victims of violence. Seeing it from a criminal point of view, it comes to us as if family violence against men is almost legal, as there is no provision in any law to protect a man who has faced or faces violence from their wives or other female family members. Justice is the right of every individual regardless of their gender. The laws that are made for protection of women are in turn sometimes coming out to be as a tool of injustice to men who don't even become a part of general conversations. What keeps men from sharing their stories are some things like patriarchy, embarrassment, social stigma, and the feeling of helplessness. People are not up for such conversations and don't even stand up to help them. We need to be more vocal and open about things that are talked in hushed tones and give males a chance to speak up and not suffer alone.